Yo. Some days I'm strange, some days I'm mad, some days I'm fucked up, some days I go crazy out of my head. Cause it's all the stress living in this place every single day. Fuck this place, cause it's nothing but like a prison hole all day. Feel like being behind bars for the rest of my life all day. Yeah, why do I have to feel like this when I'm not even in prison all day? Cause it's always pain around this world. It's always 666, 360 is the number of the beast now. Cause I'm getting pissed off with this world now. Yeah, can't you see all the pain and the misery, what is going around with all these wars? Yeah, cause they can't take it anymore cause of the pain. They're suffering so badly. Can't you see it's you who's causing it? So you better shut the fuck up and back the fuck up, motherfucker, before I destroy you and get rid of it. Cause these wars are coming now. Are you ready for this shit now? This is how we're gonna get down. Cause HD, oh please don't act you don't know. Cause I take her down like a bitch in a hole now. Yeah, so you want a piece of me, then we're gonna bring it down every single day and night now. Cause I'm the king of the castle, you're the motherfucking dirty vassal now. So what you gonna say? Cause all you say is the Blues Clues, because that's all you know. Cause you're thick in the head, the brainwash through out every single day of your life now. So why don't you just fuck off? Cause I'm giving you the 2 middle fingers now. And if you don't like that, then you step up to me now. Cause then you're in the mess with the blackouts. Cause the blackouts will knock you down with a blackout now. So this is how we're gonna get down. If you don't like it now, I just want to see some respect. If you don't show respect, then you're gonna get the bad boy out. Cause boy better know I play dirty fucking up the street every single day. And that, yeah, so you better not give any beef, because or else if you're gonna be a brave boy, you better be a brave boy now. Cause if you're not, you're gonna get beaten up. Cause if you're a pussy and that, then you better start running and that. Cause you're nothing but like the gingerbread man and that.